Hi, welcome to Tech in the Car. In this video I'm going to unbox a t-shirt and a pen purchased from Apple HQ Infinite Loop in California. So I bought them last year when I was visiting Apple. I went to Infinite Loop and I also went to their new headquarters, and I bought some stuff from the store. And this is an opportunity for you guys who haven't been there to see them unboxed, because I haven't actually opened them since I bought them. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with this. So this is a pen bought from Apple. As you can see, it looks like a pen. On the back here it says that it's a silver ballpoint pen, $35. That's obviously pretty expensive for a pen, let's be honest. You wouldn't expect anything less from Apple, I think. And this is what it looks like. And there we go. It's an Apple pen, and you turn the top here and the pen bit comes out, and then you close it and it just goes back in, and you can see the Apple logo here. I mean, it's a very nice pen, don't get me wrong, but that is what the pen looks like. So let's put that back in here. Right, now let's look at this. So this is a t-shirt. This is an iPod t-shirt. It's only available at Infinite Loop. As you can see, $40 is the cost. So let's open it up and have a look. When I said I love everything Apple, this should be proof of it, because I have something from the Apple store, the original Apple store. The first Apple store. Well, the first Apple store in Apple's headquarters. And here we go. Here is the t-shirt. Here is a t-shirt. This is what it looks like. So that is an example of one of the t-shirts you can get in the Apple store in Infinite Loop in California. They've got different designs. They've got an Apple Watch design, they've got a Mac design, an iMac design, and this was the one that I decided to pick out. So it's just a little fun unboxing of the Apple Pen and the iPod t-shirt bought from the Apple store at Infinite Loop, California. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.